let's follow the money. Ang ginawa ko dito, kinabit ko na yung mga usual na mga riders, kasali na yung death benefit, kinabit ko na dyan. Tignan natin, ano ang kwento ng 7,000 a month na premium. Clear tayo? 7,000 a month. After nagbayad ng isang 7,000 a month, at in force date, wala pang cash value, dividends, and endowment. Yung fund value, depende sa produkto, pwedeng zero, pwedeng sobrang liit compared to the premium paid. Ang malaki agad and significantly bigger from the start are accidental death benefit, disability benefit, and death benefit. Critical illness benefit, hindi pa siya nag-exist sa first 90 days. Tama? After 90 days, ang makikita mo dito, may nadagdag. Ano yung nadagdag after 90 days? Critical illness benefit. And yung first four, tawagin na natin Group A. Itong Group A na cash value, dividends, endowment, and fund value, it's either hindi pa siya nag-exist after 90 days or sobrang liit, depende sa produkto pagdating sa fund value. Ang significantly na malaki agad after 90 days, critical illness benefit, accidental death benefit, disability benefit, and death benefit. Clear? So after 1 year, 84,000 binayad, ang makikita mo sa Group B, significantly bigger sila compared to the premium. If you're going to compare it sa Group A na lahat yan, it's either hindi pa nag-exist or super liit compared sa premium paid na 84,000. Fast forward, after 10 years, nag-gets po yung aking logic? Yes. After 10 years, ano po ang significantly bigger compared to the 840,000? Yung Group B, critical illness benefit, accidental death benefit, disability benefit, and death benefit. Ano yung maliit or wala pang laban? Group A, cash value, dividends, endowment, fund value. Fund value, pwedeng may laban, pwedeng hindi. Sino dito mag-guarantee na on the 10th year break even? Anong pinapakita ko dito? Where do you want to direct the attention of your clients? 7,000. Kung batang-bata siya, 5 million coverage. Kung medyo matanda na siya, 3 million coverage yun. Where will you direct the client? And if you're going to look at all the features here, what is the feature that is biggest from the start up to the end? There is only one benefit that is biggest from the start and still there up to the end of the contract term as long as the policy is enforced.